It was disembarkation day on the Voyager of the Seas. We had originally planned an excursion that would have taken us from the port to Disney Springs and then from Disney Springs to the airport after a few hours. But prior to our trip, we got a notification that it was going to be canceled due to lack of participation. So we made our way off the ship and took that long trip to the airport. But one text from my sister changed everything. So we decided to come to Disney Springs anyways. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I am Joe, and we ended up having a blast on our final day in Florida before we headed home at the end of our vacation. So here's what happened. So like I said, we did book a trip with Royal Caribbean that was going to take us to Disney Springs for a few hours and then take us to the airport from there. That gets canceled on us, so we end up having to just book a regular shuttle that'll take us directly from the port to the airport. And we hunkered down for a really long wait because we had made plans. We had assumed that we were going to be there. So now all of a sudden we had a 9-hour wait before our flight. That's when I got a text from my sister, who's been doing a lot of traveling, and let me know there is a service via an app where you can actually rent space to leave your bags in certain stores and things like that. The fee is per bag, and it's actually quite reasonable, especially when you don't want to be trapped at the airport. So we decided to do that and go to Disney Springs and have some fun. So we grabbed ourselves an Uber when we found a place to drop our bags as he took us there, then to Disney Springs so we could have some fun ahead of our flight. We wanted to do some things that were new to at least one of us whenever possible, so we made our first stop at Salt and Straw for a little treat. And for those who don't know, Salt and Straw is an amazing ice cream shop with a ton of specialty flavors, and they'll let you taste as many as you want. Oh, really? No. Okay. I have a feeling this.
This one?
Yeah.
I feel like this is going to be my favorite too because I love malted. But
Okay.
Yep.
Can I try two, please? Can I try the sea salt with caramel ribbons? Ooh, that was immediately great. That's very nice. Can I also try the chocolate gooey brownie, please? I get it. Thank you. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Okay. Okay, so what'd you get?
Chocolate malted cookie dough.
How
And
is
it is delicious. I love malt.
And as for me, I got the gooey chocolate brownie, and it is gooey, and it is chocolate, and there is brownie. No lies told. It's really, really good. Between new things, we hopped into Marvel superhero headquarters and took a little look around. I love looking at the new stuff that comes in here, as well as the old stuff that 12-year-old me would have loved to have bought. Then we hit up Star Wars Galactic Outpost for more of the same. Again, so much cool stuff to look at and take in. They even have the medal that only Chewbacca deserves and nobody else. It is a paradise here. We made a quick stop into Uniqlo to see some of the collabs they have going on. I love this Mickey Mouse Classics series. Something for everyone in here. Then, even though we didn't plan on buying anything, we peeked into Amaret's Patisserie just to see their gorgeous confections. We got to see them make some of the cakes while we were in there, which was really cool. Then we hopped into the world of Disney because of all the stores in Disney Springs. This is the one where we had a mission. Okay, so we are actually here on a mission today, and that mission is to replace a shirt that I bought here in December. We got that Muppets shirt that I really liked, and unfortunately, it got wrecked in the laundry after 2 wearings. There was something that got in there and kind of got all over, and we couldn't get the stain out, so we're hoping to find that Muppet shirt here today. Okay, so far we have not found this thing, but we found a bunch of other things. I got a pin trader bag, and what else? We got a nice new cup that's going to be Carrie's year-round Starbucks cup, and then we got some pins. This is a Disney Springs pin commemorating our impromptu trip to this place, and then a little mystery bag, yeah. So far so good, but the hunt continues. Okay, and the hunt brings us to the most obvious place, which is where all the t-shirts are, and we found it! All right, so we just got to find one in my size, which I'm going to task my lovely wife with, because I'm videotaping.
Here we go.
Awesome! Thank you, baby! Ah, it's back. But now here's the thing. they're 25 each when you buy 2. Is there a shirt that you're looking for? Maybe we do a little hunting. Let's do some hunting. I like the Let the Magic Begin.
I was just noticing that one.
What else? I know you really like Mickey Mouse.
Anxiety.
Where? Oh, there. But this one says, "What up, dog?" And it's dog. Ooh, I like that one too. Life's a walk in the park. I'm not trying to influence you though. Oh, but while you're doing that, I'm going over here. I saw the button-ups and I really like the button-ups. Haunted Mansion, that's a view. Ooh, that feels nice. How much are we looking at for that? Ooh, not today, thank you. The other ones don't feel very nice, or as nice. They still feel good, but she's made her decision and we're just making our way over there. Decision made, size searching. Looks good. So we did it. We achieved our goal. We filled up a bag of stuff, and yeah, a lot more than we thought. Well, we got a couple shirts. We got some pin stuff. New coffee mug. Thank you for miming that. I don't think that we're here for the the hearing impaired. Yeah. So all in all, a very successful trip here. But now let's go get some food. Outside of World of Disney, there were some students putting on a concert, so we stopped to take them in for a little bit while we were on our way to our next stop. So you know what you need after you get a sunburn in the Bahamas? Expose yourself to the Florida sun for a little while. That feels really, really good. So we just came out of Pin Traders, and we hadn't intended really on getting much of anything there. Carrie was looking for a magnet. She collects magnets from anywhere we travel to. Oh, and we're going this way. So she found a magnet that she liked, and we ended up with 3 more pins because they have all the resort pins there that we were looking for last time. So we got ones for the resorts that we have stayed at. We got All-Star, we got Pop Century, and we got Boardwalks. So that's all set. We found a few other ones that would have also fit into our story, but I mean, how many pins can you buy in a single day? The answer is probably way more than we did, but here we go. Next up, we headed for a snack and drink at Jock Lindsey's Hangar Bar, the lounge themed after Indiana Jones pilot and Raiders of the Lost Ark, Jock Lindsey. It's one of the coolest themed properties in Disney Springs and has a crazy good menu. Carrie tried Jock's Old Fashioned, which is Knob Creek Single Barrel Bourbon, Cointreau Liquor, Simple Syrup, and Angostura Orange Bitters.
That is tasty.
Yeah.
It's like the smallest little burn from the whiskey, but nice and sweet, but like not too sweet. It's so good.
Where does that rank in your old fashions?
Like probably number 2.
While we were waiting for our food, we decided to open up our mystery pins. We got an Avengers pin.
Oh, hey.
And a Chewy pin.
Ooh, I like the chewy one.
Yeah, that's fun. Our food has arrived. We got the Air Tours Bacon and Waffles, which is spiced candied bacon strips served along chorizo waffles, and a honey balsamic syrup served in a syringe. Say that 5 times fast.
I gotta press really hard. Oh, there's a cap on it. And I take a plate because I'm not an animal. Like this, and I go like this. Hold on, there's 2 pieces each. I'm getting 2 pieces of bacon on this one.
I was just gonna eat one piece separately.
That was so good.
Yeah. Now, I'm not sure how we didn't capture me eating this, but I don't have any footage of it. But needless to say, the bacon and the waffle with the syrup on it, they were perfect mixes of spicy, savory, and sweet. And when you combined those 2 elements together, it was just sheer perfection.
That was a really good drink. I don't even feel the sun right now.
We encountered a mobile concert as we walked around Disney Springs for a little while until we got to where we were having our dinner. It was both of our first time trying Chicken Guy. Now, I do want to point out that we didn't just go directly from Jock Lindsey's to Chicken Guy. There was 2 hours of walking around between the two things, and we are splitting meals everywhere we want to go. I don't really know why I feel like I need to defend it because we were still on vacation anyways, but just so you know, we weren't just running from food to food. Chicken Guy is celebrity chef Guy Fieri's fast food chicken restaurant, famous for its sauces. We split a chicken tender meal and chose the buffalo sauce and Guy's signature donkey sauce. And that was the last thing we did before we made our way back to the airport for our flight home. It's always important to appreciate what you have when you're on vacation, because we left literal paradise and my favorite place on the planet for this. And that brings us to the end of this series. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit the like on this one and any of the other ones that you watched and enjoyed in the past. If you want to see similar things to this, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you know when I have new videos coming out. And speaking of new videos, I've got a little teaser for you. As of when this video comes out, I'm actually on another ship. It's not a Royal Caribbean ship. Remember this one? Are you ready? That's right, me and the family are on the Disney Treasure as we speak, so stay tuned for a ton of new videos coming out. We're going to be doing a lot of exploring, a lot of eating, and we actually have a very unique itinerary for this ship right now. And not for nothing, it's going to be happening over my birthday. So if that's not enough of a teaser for you, I don't know what is. I really hope to see you again soon. Thanks again so much for watching, and until next time, whatever you do, make it magical.